Alright, today I'm going to show you dual booting System 6 and System 7 on the Macintosh II. If you go to About This Macintosh, you can see that it's running System 6.0.8. But there's this program called System Picker. If we run it here, you'll see that we can choose our system folder, which there's actually two of from two different installs, and restart. Alright, so we've booted into System 7 here. We can go to About This Macintosh. See it's running System Software 7.1. And we can go back to the application, select our system folder 6 again, and restart. Alright, and we're back into System 6. This is a really useful setup because with System 6, for example, it's probably the all-around best operating system to run on something like this Macintosh II. However, it's not exactly compatible with everything, while System 7 has got a lot more software written for it for multiple different reasons. So if you have to switch to it, you can use whatever software you need to.